The story gained widespread attention when it was reported in various media outlets and circulated through word of mouth. It struck a nerve with the public's fascination with the supernatural, and soon, the legend of the well to hell spread like wildfire, captivating the imagination of believers and skeptics alike. However, while the Kola Superdeep Borehole project was indeed a real scientific endeavour, the well to hell and its alleged paranormal activity is largely regarded as an urban legend. The Soviet Union had in fact drilled a hole that was more than 7.5 miles deep, located on the Kola Peninsula, which shares borders with Norway and Finland. Upon reaching the depth of 40,230 feet in 1989, some interesting geological anomalies were found, although the official line is that they reported no supernatural encounters.